flying, sing a song I can capture, and I make it up to you somehow. Well, how my hat was hung there for the white on a pole, set up Norwegian style, ready to show 'em what I light up the sky, we're singing out of rain, and I got lost into the waves. Well, he couldn't pick me up, so I took him down to be the center of my crown, and I thought it'd make the change. You know, it will never be the same. Truly, why will never change. And I think it is a shame. Come on now. Cause all of a sudden he stopped singing his song. I lost my mind and all went wrong. I've got a heavy hand. Wild bird flying, sing a song I can capture, and I make it up to you. Because you're smooth, but not too special. Really, really cute though. The way you look at me, oh, it's gonna wear my heart out. And trouble stands laughing hard, now it's waiting by my door. Mother Nature, what is the story here and what is it for? Well, I'm not awake today and I'm not asleep at night. I've got some principles and now they'll have to fight. What's that moving and breaking my line? Now make a circle, come on, rolling a mine. What's that moving and breaking my line? Now make a circle, come on, rolling a mine. Your strange perfuming, strange coffee in the morning light. Shadow that slowly grows onto your eye. Well, some say that it's wrong, some say that it's fine. What's that moving